Hey guys, it's Candy. Welcome to my channel. So it has been a year since I've had my timeless natural 3-in-1 curly wig from Hergivenhair. So I thought, why not pop in with a quick review or update to show you what's going on with the hair and how it's been holding up. I keep it in its original packaging, so it's in the nice satin bag. I keep the original mesh and keep it in that nice box that I received the hair in. And so this is how it is looking straight out of the box, and I'm going to show you guys a few ways in which I am able to style it. So as I mentioned before, this is actually a 3-in-1 wig, and so it is able to serve multiple purposes. You can wear it pretty much as almost a full wig or a half wig, or actually even a ponytail. So yeah, so for the first look, I'm wearing it as somewhat of a full wig, leaving out only a minimal amount of hair in the very front of my head. And so now I am securing the wig. I'm actually using the comb attachments to secure the wig to my head. And I do love the fact that it has no lace, it requires no glue or no spray. And so because of that reason, it is quick and easy and is very beginner friendly. All right. So as you can see, I'm using that drawstring to tighten the wig onto my head. And I'm just going to go right into the takedown of my twist in the front, and so allow my hair to blend with the wig. And just like that, guys, in a matter of minutes, literally minutes, and this hair is looking like it is growing out of my scalp. This is actually their curly texture. 3B to 3C is the texture. However, I do have type 4 curl pattern, but it blends perfectly nevertheless. Okay, did I mention it was 16 inches? It's 16 inches long, and this is in the color natural black. So yeah, this is actually the first look. And guys, let me tell you something. The hair, as I kept it in the box, in the satin bag, it didn't frizz at all. No frizzing was experienced, and I love that for me. So for the next look, I'm doing this ever so cute look with the Bantu knots in the front and of course the half wig in the back. So what I'm doing now is creating those ponytails for the Bantu knots, and I'm doing triangular parts. So you will see me do 5 triangles, which after secured will be styled into Bantu knots. All right. After which I will go ahead and secure the half wig in the back. But I did only have need to wash the half wig once. Yes, I only washed it once, and it's pretty easy, pretty simple. And once I wear it and remove it, I literally just put it back in its designated spot, which is the satin bag and then the box, and then right back on one of those shelves in my closet. Yeah. So now I am actually securing it, and guys, that adjustment band in the back makes all the difference. It makes the hair feel super duper secure on the head and give you the confidence that you need to rock this with no fear or no reservations. All right, so this is how cute this one is. This may be a favorite of mine. Yes. So high fashion, so avant-garde. Yes. So as you can see, I am actually shaking my head. So you see that that is well secured, no issues. This texture is so believable. This is so realistic. It is so reminiscent of my natural texture. It's ridiculous, right? So guys, the next one that I'm going to be doing is a high ponytail. Yes. So this is the third way in which you can rock this particular wig. So are we noticing the trend? You do get value for your money because you can wear this one hair in so many different ways. You will definitely have the crowd wondering, wait, what's going on? She changes her hair so often. But guys, this high ponytail on its own was not doing it. So let me draw for the half wig. Yes, the 3-in-1 wig to the rescue. All right, so this drawstring again is allowing me to actually adjust the opening of the wig to the point where it is small enough to create that opening attachment for the ponytail. So I literally just pull it over my hair and use the comb clip, yes, to secure it. And once I do that, I just go ahead and use the drawstring to adjust it to make sure that it is super duper tight. And just like that, my ponytail is all done, and there is nothing that a little fluffing will not take care of with this hair. I'm actually using a little spray bottle of water just to relax the hair a little bit. This will allow it to fall, and it will definitely help to soften the hair a little bit more. Yeah, so guys, this is it. You know me already. If you know me, you know me. So I'm gonna go ahead and do some tendrils just to frame the face and give it a added cuteness. And voila, this is what it turned out to be, guys. This hair from Hergivenhair, I promise you, a winner. A winner. Not only is it cute, but it's very convenient and versatile. So guys, you already know what time it is. I've got you. So I will leave the link down below for you so you can get your hands on this 3-in-1 half wig, as well as I will leave you guys a discount code so you can enjoy some savings. All right. Shout out again to Hergivenhair. And thank you guys for watching. I do appreciate you. If you're not yet subscribed, hit the subscribe button so we can catch up on my next one. Take care. Walk good. Much blessings. Bye.